Hello everyone, here's a challenge. Can you break 150 down into its building block? That means the prime number that exactly multiplied to give it. So stick around as we are peel back the layers of 150 using the magic of prime factorization. It is easier than it looks and way more satisfying. So what is prime factorization? So prime factorization means it's expressing a number as a product of its given factor. So those indivisible numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So in other words, we are finding out what prime numbers multiplied together to give 150. So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So as we can see, 150 is even. So we can divide it by 2. So 150 divided by 2 is 75. Now 75 is odd number. So we are doing sum of digits to check whether it's divisible by 3 or not. So 7 plus 5 is 12. And 12 can be divisible by 3. So 75 divided by 3 gives 25. Now 25 divided by 5 is 5 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So final prime factorization of 150 is 2 times 3 times 5 power 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.